Good morning, students of standard 8. Welcome in day 5. As you know that in day 4 I have explained another activity, activity number 3, and that activity is aim of that activity was how to make tester with magnetic compass. Okay, the aim of that activity 3 was how to make magnetic compass, and I hope you all understood very well how to make magnetic compass. Okay, today I am going to explain activity number 4. Okay, so kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and your science book and turn page number 192 193. Okay, and see the activity 4. This is activity 4. Aim of this activity is to test electrical conductivity of given liquids. Okay, to test, aim of this activity is to test electrical conductivity of given liquids. Material requires plastic containers or beaker. Okay, that means you will need a plastic container or beaker. LED tester. Okay, I have told you that in activity how to make LED tester. Okay, so this is you will take LED tester. That means you will take LED bulb, some wires and cell, distilled water, salt, electric circuit, vinegar, kerosene, lemon juice, and you will check one by one these materials are good conductor of electricity or insulators. Okay, most of the things are here: liquid form, distilled water, salt. That means you will take here salt in solid form, but when you will check the salt is a good conductor of electricity, you will make solution of salt. Okay, vinegar in liquid form, kerosene in liquid form, lemon juice in liquid form. Okay, now procedure: take the tester made in activity 2. That means in activity 2 you have made LED tester. Okay, so first of all, your aim of before doing this activity, you will make a tester, LED tester, like this in the figure. Okay, this is LED bulb. Okay, and this is cell minus, this is negative terminal and this is positive terminal. Negative terminal of the cell is connected to the negative, that means a small leg of the LED bulb, and the other wire is connected to the greater leads to the LED bulb, to the first to the one end of the another wire, and the other end of the second wire is put it in the beaker. Okay, and you will take another wire which connect with the positive terminal of the battery with one end and the other end free, and which is dipped in the beaker or plastic containers. Okay, now take the tester made in activity 2 and test the conductivity in different liquids such as vinegar, kerosene, lemon juice, alcohol and distilled water. You have right here not electric circuit, you will take here alcohol. Okay, alcohol and dilute hydrochloric acid. Now then after you will put one by one in this container or beaker, you will take one by one liquids and you will check LED bulb glue or not, and you will then after you will make a list. In this activity you will prepare a chart, and in the left side column you will write all the things like vinegar, kerosene, lemon juice, alcohol in vertically direction and dilute hydrochloric acid, and you will check one by one and the result comes out, then you will say LED bulb glows or not glows. Okay, so first of all you will take vinegar. You will take some vinegar in this container, that means in this beaker, and you will check the free end of the both wires will be dipped in the vinegar. Then you will check bulb glows or not. Bulb is glowing is compulsory. It is compulsory. I have told you that vinegar is a good conductor of electricity, so it allows to pass electric current through them. So LED bulb glows in this experiment. So you will write there, yes, LED bulb glow. Okay. Now second, kerosene. Then after you will take here in the container kerosene instead of vinegar. Then you will see there kerosene does not allow to pass electric current through them. So LED bulb does not glow. So you will write there in the column of kerosene, LED bulb not glow. Now third one is lemon juice. You will put here, just remove kerosene and then you will put here lemon juice, and you will see there, I have told you that lemon juice is acid and all acids are good conductor of electricity. So here we can say that lemon juice conduct electricity and the LED bulb glow. So you will write in the column of lemon juice, LED bulb glows. Then after alcohol, you will take here some alcohol instead of lemon juice. Alcohol is neither acid nor base nor salt. Okay, so alcohol does not allow to pass electricity through them, so it is bad conductor of electricity, it is an insulator, so LED bulb does not glow. Then after you will take some hydrochloric acid. HCl is a strong acid, so you will very careful about to put in the container. Okay, and HCl, hydrochloric acid, I have told you that HCl, hydrochloric acid, acid means good conductor of electricity. So we can say that here when you will put here HCl in the container, then LED bulb glows. Okay, in last condition you will take second last condition, you will take some solution of salt and water. Okay, here you will put some salt solution, that means you will make solution of salt in the water. Then after you will put in this container, then LED bulb glows when here salty water present. So we can say that salty water allows to pass electric current, it is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, and the last condition you will take here distilled water. Distilled water means those water which you have to use put in the battery, inverter battery. Okay, that is distilled water. So you will take some distilled water and put in the container, and then after you will check their LED bulb glows or not. You are able to see their LED bulb does not glow. Students, from this activity we conclude that some liquids allow to pass electric current and some liquid does not pass through electric current. So some liquids conduct electricity, whereas some liquid does not conduct electricity. Okay, students, today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. Write down homework. Students, this is your homework for day 5. Today I have given only one question. Question number 1, make a list of 10 liquids. You have to make a list of 10 liquids which conduct electricity or not. That means you will check these liquids are good conductor or insulator of electricity. Students, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.